Mastering polite requests with modal verbs. Hello there, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today we are going to dive into the world of modal verbs, specifically the art of expressing requests. Modal verbs play a crucial role in English by expressing a variety of moods and attitudes. They can help us make our language more sophisticated and polite, especially when we're asking for something. So, buckle up and let's get started. To put it simply, modal verbs are a small group of verbs that can change the mood of a sentence. They can express possibility, ability, permission, and of course, requests. Some common modal verbs we're going to focus on today are can, could, would, and will. When we want to express a request, the modal verbs we often use are can, could, will, and would. They help us to make our requests more polite and less direct. Let's go through each of them. 1. Can. This is the least formal way to ask for something. It's often used in informal situations or with people you know well. For example, can you pass the salt, please? 2. Could. A step above, can, could, is a more polite way to ask for something. It's used when we want to show respect or when the request is not too demanding. For example, could you help me with this report, please? 3. Would. This is even more polite and is often used in formal situations or when we want to be very courteous. For example, would you mind opening the window, please? 4. Will. Generally used when we are fairly certain the person we are asking is willing to do what we're requesting. For example, will you take out the trash when you have time? It's important to not only understand these concepts but also to practice them. Let's try to convert these direct requests into more polite versions using modal verbs. 1. Direct. Give me the report by Monday. Polite. Could you give me the report by Monday, please? 2. Direct. Tell me your decision now. Polite. Would you mind telling me your decision now? 3. Direct. Pass me the remote. Polite. Can you pass me the remote, please? 4. Direct. Buy milk on your way back. Polite. Will you buy some milk on your way back? Remember, the key to mastering the use of modal verbs is practice. So, keep using them in your daily communication. Well, that wraps up our lesson on expressing requests with modal verbs. We've learned how to use can, could, would, and will to make our requests more polite and less direct. I hope this video has helped clarify these often confusing modal verbs. Remember, English is all about practicing, so don't shy away from using these new structures. Keep learning, and I'll see you in our next video. Happy studying!